Hello ladies, welcome back to Much More Than Beauty. In today's video, I wanted to share my current hair growth routine and the products that I've been using to get my hair to grow. And so in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys products that I'm literally currently using right now in my hair growth journey to get my hair back to my length goals. Now, before I start showing you guys a product, real quick, why am I on this hair growth journey? Do you even want to know? Well, if you've been following me for years, like 5-6 years ago when I first started my YouTube channel, my curly hair was super long, like really long, and I'm going to insert a picture somewhere in this video to show you guys how long my curly hair was. And basically, to make this long story short, what happened is heat damage. Literally, 2 words, that easy. Heat damage is what happened to my hair. And if you guys have been seeing my recent videos, I decided no more heat for me. I'm like literally done. I am on this 1-year challenge of Team No Heat. And so it's been like 3 months of, 3 to 4 months of no heat. And I'm so serious about no heat. And I'm just gonna see if I can even go past a year, because honestly, I cannot wait for my long hair. My long curly hair. Like, I'm desperate. I want it back so bad, and I'm so mad at myself for damaging my hair. So with all that said, what am I using now to get my hair to grow back to what it was? So we're just gonna jump right in, and I'm literally just gonna start with, like, I guess from like my favorite, like the top thing that I'm using to grow my hair, and then I'll work myself down. So the very first, or the number 1 product that I'm using right now to try to get my hair to grow is vitamins. It's hair vitamins. And this is the Curls. This is the Curls Liquid Hair Vitamin. And I've been taking these, honestly, it's been like on and off for about a year. Honestly, I just need to be more consistent is all it is. Now, for the past like 2 to 3 months since my heat damage, or my latest heat damage, I've been taking this consistently. So this hair vitamin is like the number 1 thing. This is like the most important thing that I'm doing during my hair growth journey. And I'm taking this literally every day. And actually, I literally forgot to take it today. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and take it right now in front of the camera. I just need a measuring cup. Where's the measuring cup for this? Okay, so I got the measuring cup, and I'm going to take my vitamins because I have not taken it today. And I do want to show you guys that I do take this vitamin. Curls is not paying me to say any of this, and they're not paying me for this video. I've been using it and I like it. So I'm just gonna take my daily dose. Which I find to be tasty. And sometimes I forget that I took it, and I take it twice. So honestly guys, it does not taste bad at all. It does have like a blueberry taste, and it's a hair growth vitamin. It has tons of vitamins in it. I can't run through all the vitamins that's in it, but this is like the number 1 thing that I am taking to get my hair to grow. And I'm using that every single day. Now, the second thing that I would say that I am using to get my hair to grow is another Curls product. And again guys, this video is not sponsored by Curls or anything. It's just I love their products, and I really truly like believe in their products, and I honestly feel like they work for me, so that's why I use it. And this is the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. And one of the main reasons why I love using this leave-in conditioner, and it's like my top staple product that I can't be without right now, is because this This is the Blueberry Bliss collection, and it's made out of blueberry extract, which I did do some reading, and it promotes hair growth. So it actually has ingredients in it that promotes hair growth. Also, the reason why I love this leave-in conditioner is because it's a reparative leave-in conditioner. So I damaged my hair with heat, and I want to use something that is helping repair it. And so this is it, guys. Leave-in conditioner that I actually have in my hair right now. That's actually all I have in my hair is leave-in conditioner. And real quick, speaking on my hair, I'm going to be doing a length check in this video, guys, because what's the point of like trying to get your hair to grow if you're not really tracking it? Because how are you gonna know if any of the products that you're using, or how am I gonna know if any of these products that I'm using are working if I'm not tracking my length, right? So I'm wearing this shirt that was sent to me like years ago. It says, "Love your hair at every length." And I love the message. I absolutely agree that you should love your hair at every length. Like mine is pretty much like a little past shoulder length, and it's not my favorite length. I want longer curls, but you know, I gotta love my curls even at this stage. So, you know, guys, just love your hair through your whole journey. And with all that being said, the back of this shirt actually has like lines for measuring your hair growth. So I will be doing that at the end of this video, so that like in a couple months I can check in with you guys and see how like everything has really been working. All right, so I just finished talking about the leave-in conditioner. Now the next product that I love to use is another curls product. It's just because it's so good. And literally this line was made to like encourage hair growth, and I love that. And it's this is the Curls Blueberry and Mint Tea Scalp Treatment. This is what it looks like, and I just love using this because if you have like itchy scalp or dry scalp, it's so soothing, it's so refreshing, and it stimulates your scalp to make your hair grow. So next, another product that I'm using right now for my hair to grow is another curls product. And you guys, it's because I'm literally obsessed with this line. This is their reparative hair mask. And if you've tried any of these curls products, you'll understand, like, you know why I'm literally pulling out curls after curls after curls. So this, guys, is their like deep conditioner. This is what it looks like, and this also, it makes your hair strong to prevent breakage. This one also says that it enhances growth. It deeply penetrates, and it's proven to repair, protect, and restore your curls. And I just love using this because it makes my hair so super soft and like just luxurious. I'm at a loss for words, but not really, because all I have to say is that this Curls Reparative Hair Mask is the best deep conditioner I've ever used, I've ever personally used. And if you watch my videos, you'll know that already because I told you already. Alright guys, so next we have the the Curls Blueberry Bliss. This is their reparative hair wash. So this is like their shampoo that also grows your curls. It says it on the back, like you can't miss it. And it's amazing. Like, it's made out of certified organic ingredients, and it's such a good product. It smells amazing. It repairs your hair. It grows your hair. Like, what more could you want for your hair growth journey, you know? So this is what it looks like, guys, and I will put this in the description box. I'll list everything that I'm using right now. So guys, next I'm just gonna show you guys all three, make it easy. This is the GroHealthy collection. GroHealthy collection. This is what it looks like, guys. I did a whole full review on the GroHealthy line. So if you do want to check that out, I'll see if I can put like the link somewhere in this video, or actually even in the description box below. So if you're interested in seeing the entire review of the GroHealthy line, then go ahead and check that out, guys. But yeah, I'm using the GroHealthy line because the name, GroHealthy, it's exactly what I want. I want to grow my healthy curls back. So that's why I'm using this. It has coconut oil. It has like really amazing stuff in it. And basically it says it grows your hair. It helps promote growth. So their entire collection helps grow your hair. This here is their conditioner. I don't know where I put the shampoo, but I have the shampoo, the conditioner. This is their leave-in, and then their oil. So I've been using their entire collection to grow my hair out. All right, guys, so we're nearing the end. This is literally the last product that I'm using currently for my hair growth routine, and that is Hairfinity. This is their revitalizing leave-in conditioner, and that is what the bottle looks like. If you guys have heard of Hairfinity before, you know that their whole line is pretty much all about like growing your hair. And I really just love this conditioner because it's so softening and it smells so good, and it's by Hairfinity. They're like a hair growth expert. So guys, literally everything I showed you is what I am using right now to grow my hair. And so I just want to talk about right now what I did to my hair. I used the Blueberry Bliss Reparative leave-in conditioner to style my curls. It's literally the only thing I have in my hair. And I just use a Denman brush to like define my curls. So this is why my curls look like this. And the reason why I decided to do this like type of wash and go, really like this leave-in conditioner wash and go, is because when I do my length check, I want to do it exactly the same so that it just makes sense, you know. So guys, that's pretty much it. Right now it's time to check my length. And so I'm gonna show you guys from the back my length. Alright guys, real quick, I just wanted to announce a giveaway. 3 of you lucky viewers are going to be chosen to win an entire line of the GroHealthy collection. They are gifting 3 lucky winners the collection. This is not the entire collection, you guys. I have some other products somewhere, but they have an entire collection of GroHealthy hair products. I wanted to give back to you guys. They're not paying me for this video. No one's paying me for this video. Literally, I just want to give back to you guys. They want to give back to you guys. So if you want to win the entire collection of GroHealthy, I'm going to make the rules super easy, super simple. all you have to do is make sure that you are following me on Instagram. My Instagram account is MuchMoreThanBeauty, and also be sure to follow GroHealthy on Instagram. After you follow me and GroHealthy, come back to this video and just comment, "Done, I entered the giveaway." And I will be picking a winner in 24 hours after this video has gone live. And also, you guys, if there's some products that you're using that is really making your hair grow, please let me know. Please comment below, because I like giving advice, but I love receiving advice, you guys. You guys have given me really amazing advice before. So if you're using something for your hair growth journey, your personal hair growth journey, that is working amazing for you, please share it with me. Tell me what it is. Comment below and tell me, what are you using on your hair growth journey? And thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next video, bye.